What's going on, guys? Am I live? Am I live? I think I'm live. Let's see. Boom, I am live. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Thank you guys again for joining us for another live stream. This video is going to be very quick. It's just going to be explaining to you a little bit about what it is that I've been working on. So like you guys have seen based on a couple of the other videos that I've posted, I've been talking about a lesson library, and it's something separate from TechBuds. It's pretty much structured video lessons. For those that are joining us right now or that have recently joined us, there's no question that I have so many YouTube videos out there, over 500, and it takes time. It's not very time efficient because of the videos, being live streamed, and they don't get straight to the point. So because of that, I've had so many people request me to come up with a series of video lessons that I do separately and that I can offer some form of mentorship for those people. And due to those requests, that is simply what I'm doing. So I'm both live on Facebook and on YouTube. So I want to thank you guys again for joining us. I want to make sure that you guys understand, again, so I'm just going to talk to you a little bit more about what the lesson library is going to include, when I'm going live, and all the details in that perspective. So when is it that the lesson library is going to go live? It's going to go live tomorrow if you join us for our weekly Sunday Stock Talk. That's actually when I plan to launch the lesson library. How many people is it that we have requested to sign up for the lesson library? We have a little bit over 3,000 people who have messaged me that have been interested in the lesson library. Does that mean that I'm going to mentor all 3,000 people? Realistically, I don't have the ability to do that. I'm going to be dedicating time on the side on top of what it is that I already do with TechBot Solutions and help out 300 people. 300 people is a smaller group that I think that I can manage, and those are the ones that I'm solely going to be investing this mentorship with for the first 30 days. After the 30 days, we'll get another group of 30 people and offer that same type of mentorship program. So we have Joshua saying, Ricky, what's going on, bud? So yeah, that's really just it. Just wanted to give you guys a better understanding of what it is that we are going to be doing. And these are one of the most common questions that I've received. I offer consultation calls. Those are not free, right? Therefore, this mentorship program that I'm going to be offering, the reason I really started wanting to offer, it is I've gotten so many people that have made so many of the same mistakes time after time when it comes down to simple mistakes that have made in the stock market that ends up making them not being able to, pretty much they make so many of the common mistakes that I've already made videos about, but because I've made so many videos about, already on my YouTube channel, they're not able to watch all of them. Therefore, just imagine this. This is my perspective and this is what I'm thinking. So just imagine I get a number of people that are part of TechBot Solutions or that want, direct content to what it is that, that has led to my success in the stock market. Just imagine the 500 videos that I've made congested or concentrated into a little bit over 5 hours of video lessons. That's pretty much what the lesson library is. So just imagine all these people going through a filter of education, and they all have a general understanding of how to trade in the stock market and what has led to my success. Just imagine that. Just imagine all tech buds going through a certain filter, so a video lesson, and understanding the market in the way that I do. Just imagine the type of, just breakdowns and the type of communications and questions and type of, alerts that we can have. That's pretty much what my goal is. So what it comes down to is for me to get a number of people that are interested, aside from those that are already watching, my helpful videos on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, but that want, direct access to certain curriculum that I've created and want that, and really are treating it serious enough that want that one-to-one mentorship. And that's what I plan to do. So I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown, and that's my whole idea. Looks like, I apologize for that interruption. I'm not too sure if you guys got interrupted. But it comes down to the lesson library is going to include a private chat. This private chat will offer live video lessons. It will offer Q&As at scheduled times twice a day, and it will offer these are different channels: trade ideas and then daily group calls. Those are pretty much the two calls that I plan on having Monday through Friday every single day for the people that are part of the lesson library. The second thing is the mentorship program. This is only for 300 people. So anyone can sign up for the lesson library, but only 300 people, and the first 300 people that sign up will be part of the lesson library. Now let me, or will be part of the mentorship program. Let me tell you guys this. So I see a couple of you guys are pretty excited about that, and people are asking, how much will it cost? I will explain all that in detail, but this is the biggest thing that I felt I still wanted to solve. So I'm going to be dedicating about 5 to 8 hours Monday through Friday of my time to this group and to the video lessons for the mentorship, as well as on top of TechBud Solutions and everything it is that I do there, because I'm going to have a more direct approach with these people that are part of the lesson library. It's going to be about 5 to 8 hours that I'm spending every single day, Monday through Friday. That's not including the consultation calls that I'm having with each and every single member that I'm going to be mentoring. Understanding that, I'm going back to like when I was 14 and when I wanted to start investing in the stock market. And this is the biggest point. When you want to invest in a market, do you want to spend thousands of dollars or even $1,000 into a course that can potentially educate you on a market that you might want to, like invest in? Personally, when I first started, I did not have thousands of dollars or not even $1,000 to want to invest into a course that could potentially expose me to a market that I want to invest in. Therefore, how is it that I'm supposed to ask people to pay $1,000 or thousands of dollars for a course to see if this is a market that they want to excel in? That's why I created TechBud Solutions, and that's why I made it free and accessible for everyone. So what I wanted you guys to understand is that this video lesson, including the mentorship, even for the first 300 people, the reason that I'm limiting it to 300 people is because I could only truly assist 300 people a month. With that being said, this video lesson will be, it'll be a fraction of $1,000. Just to give you guys an example, it will be as if you were to schedule a series of consultation calls with me a month. That will be pretty much the cost for the lesson library, including the mentorship. So all it comes down to is I'm still going to uphold my role as the TechBud Solutions group leader. Obviously, I'm still going to be going live on YouTube. I'm still going to be uploading my 2 videos every single day on YouTube channel. It is not going to affect, if anything, it's going to make me even more structured to take advantage of the time that I'm putting up there. Therefore, I'm asking you, yes, for those that are interested and for those that do want that one-to-one mentorship with me, this is pretty much because of all the messages that I've received from you guys, this is what I'm going to be offering. So for the first 300 people that sign up, I will be having weekly video calls on a one-to-one basis with each and every individual. This will be for you to ask me any personal questions. This is for me to hold you accountable and making sure that I focus on areas of opportunity for yourself, and to see, even if you buy the lesson library and you're like, okay, well, this isn't really something that I want to do or invest in the stock market, and you got access to the mentorship and you just want to pick my brain when it comes down to investing in real estate or investing in any of the markets that I excel in, I want to make sure that this mentorship is something that not only opens your mind and assists you in your success when it comes down to the stock market, but just like myself, when I ask you, what is it that you guys view me as? Do you guys just view me as a day trader, or do you guys view me as a day trader and entrepreneur? I think that's one of the coolest things about this group. You guys know that I'm not just a day trader. You guys know that I dedicate a majority of my time into investing in multiple markets, and that's why I think so many people find me and my group attractive, and it's because we're not closed-minded, and that's the type of environment that I want to promote. So Brian is asking, is it going to be $8.99? It's going to be a fraction of $8.99. It's going to be a fraction. It's going to be, I want to release the price tomorrow. And I'm just letting you know, just to give you an example, for a 1-hour consultation call, I charge $1 per minute, so $60. It's like if you were to, I can't give you an exact thing, but it's almost the price of if you were to schedule a consultation call maybe once a week or twice a week, just to give you an example. Understanding that it's not going to be expensive, and the reason why is I want it to be accessible for everyone, but I also want, for the time that I dedicate for these individuals, that it's worth my time as well. And that's really just it. So you guys are getting a little bit closer to the dollar value, and you guys know that when it comes down to the time that I'm going to be dedicating to the group, all I want to focus on is quality. And I can try to take, we have access to 48,000 members. I can try to take and offer this and try to charge an extra amount for this monthly subscription for a mentorship program, but that's not what I'm here to do. I'm here to really, I really want, the reason why is the people that have been scheduling consultation calls with me and the people that have, like my little sister as well, that I've been following up with. I've been holding them accountable for what it is that they have done and making sure that they don't make the same mistakes. I think everyone, or a majority of our traders, are fully capable people, but they forget about the rules. They're not held accountable, or there's not someone there holding them accountable for their trades and what it is that they're investing in. Trading quality stocks, making sure that they meet all your criteria, and managing your risk. That is the type of approach that I'm going to be having with each and every member that signs up for the mentorship program. And that's really just it. So if, with all due respect, guys, if you guys can just stop commenting what it is that you guys think. I'm not going to tell you for the dollar bet. I'm going to tell you guys tomorrow. And I just want you guys, for those that are interested, feel free to be a part of it. For those that don't have, if all the money that you guys have is going to be, let's say you guys have less than $1,000, I have less than $500, I'm going to continue to upload my helpful videos on YouTube. I want to make sure that the people that sign up are the ones that can fully take advantage of, the market and are, wanting to making sure that, when it comes down to time is money, not everyone has, the hours or the 30 minutes that it takes for me to upload every single day and watch my full videos. Understanding that, I want to make sure that those that are truly, wanting to take the stock market to the next level and are really trying to, there has to be some certain filter where I can really focus on those that are going to be taking it very serious and wanting to create it as an actual source of income. There's a lot of people that are joining us for, maybe a part-time thing or just a hobby, and that's great. But for those that see value in it, feel free to join a part of our, mentorship and the lesson library. For those that don't, continue watching our helpful videos if you guys see value in it, and I will continue holding my role as the overall technical solution troop leader. And that's really just it. So again, I didn't even go down the list about everything that the lesson library offers. I just wanted to give you guys a better understanding on when I'm going to be releasing it, which is going to be tomorrow for our Sunday stock talk right after we go live. And I want to let you guys know that if you guys are a part of TechBot Solutions, I will give you guys a discount. So that was pretty much it for the reason that I'm going live. So Joshua Moore, you have a really good question. Direct message me. I just read your question. Direct message me, please. I'm not going to be answering too many questions here, but let me go ahead and end it here. Juvolikers, I forgot my train of thought. So I wanted to give you guys an input on when it is that I'm going to be launching it, as well as a better understanding of what it is that's going to be included. Again, the lesson library, anyone can have access to that. And for those that feel like they're making so many mistakes and they don't have time to watch all my videos, this is going to be the most affordable course or lesson library out there, 100%. Understanding that for those that can join, that can be a part of the first 300 people for the lesson library, I'm going to offer you that 1-month mentorship. And if I see the proper, if I see the proper return, meaning that if I see that people are truly benefiting from the mentorship, then I will continue to offer it on a monthly basis, meaning that I won't charge you anything more for the mentorship, but what I will do is I'll take people in sessions, meaning that for 30 days, I'll focus on 300 people, then I'll move on to another 300 people for the next 30 days and stuff like that. So I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. It's really going to, I think, create a shift within our group because I think a majority of the people that are going to join us for the mentorship program are going to be coming from the group. Understanding that, I'm really excited for the overall growth that I really plan to see with the entire community. And for those that are really wanting to treat this as a serious source of income, then I 100% want you to be a part of the team. So other than that, I think that's really just it. Oh, I remembered. So the reason that I'm going live is that for all those that are part of TechBot Solutions already and join us for the Sunday Stock Talk, you guys are going to get a discount on the lesson library. How am I supposed to charge the TechBot Solutions community that have been with us for this long period of time, full price? And I don't see that. So that is why. Oh, Brian, you don't have to donate anything. Brian just donated $2 and he's like, turn this $2 into $1,000 in 1 year. So that's really just it. So I'm going to be releasing all the details about the course or the lesson library tomorrow, and that is really just it. So I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to send out a mass email tomorrow. We got a little bit over, because I've been posting it this week, we had a little bit over 3,000 people, I believe, submit the request for the lesson library. I'll be sending out an email, I believe, by tomorrow. And then for all those that join us tomorrow at 6:30 Mountain Standard Time for our Sunday Stock Talk, I will be releasing the link for the lesson library. And again, the first 300 people that sign up for the mentorship, then that would be great. Or get to take part of the mentorship, and then as well as those that join us from TechBot Solutions will get a discount. So that's the easiest way that I can put it. So that's really just it. Other than that, thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. And for those that I want to make sure that I don't discourage anyone. For those that don't necessarily have the funds to potentially be a part of this lesson library, reach out to me. That's really just it. And I want to help as many people as I can, and I don't want to filter out those that truly can't afford it. And it's, again, not going to be expensive in any way. It's going to be the most affordable lesson library out there, and the most affordable, it's included in the mentorship, and I think that goes hand in hand. I want to make sure that we properly see growth within our group, and overall, I want to make sure that you guys see value in what it is, and in my time, and what it is that I'm dedicating to the overall group. So I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday, because today's Saturday. And like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives you in your success, and I hope you guys are excited to make some money this upcoming week. We have some pretty good stocks that we're going to be talking about tomorrow for our Sunday Stock Talk, so I hope that you guys can all join us. It would mean a lot to me if you guys can give this video a thumbs up, giving me a better understanding that you guys are excited for the lesson library. And if you guys have any suggestions or questions on how I can make this lesson library and mentorship that much more effective, then feel free to reach out to me. And again, I'm all open ears. I'm here to try to provide as much value as I can for each and every one of you guys. But because now there's thousands of you, it's a little bit more difficult for me. So what I plan to do is to build my team even larger, and therefore, be able to provide more value for each and every one of you. So thank you again for everything that you guys do. For those that are asking, how do I get signed up on that email list? It's the first link in the description. You simply go ahead and go to the TechBot Solutions website, type in your email, press enter, and that is all. Again, I never ask for personal information on YouTube. I never ask for personal information anywhere. Understanding that there's someone that's impersonating me, and I hope the only email that I use is info@techbotsolutions.com. That's our official email. Please don't respond to any other email or anything like that. You simply reach out to me by the Discord group chat. You can direct message me there. Thank you guys again for all your time. I can't thank you guys enough for all the support. So Robinhood app trader saying please be 300. I think you're gonna be surprised, because trust me, I want it to be worth every single penny for you. I just want it to be worth my time as well. And that's really just it. So thank you guys again. Like always, guys, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Can I end these at the same time?